So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. So now we're gonna look at Lyft Lux and Lyft Black rides. Does it make more sense to do Uber Black or Lyft Black? What do you think?
I'm gonna assume
Uber Black because there's more riders?
Yeah.
That's what you might think, but the answer might shock you. That's why you want to stay till the end of this video to find out the answer. So let's get started. Here we go. Read that.
So here's.
Okay, I'll make it larger. There we go.
So.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Pull it. Make it smaller so we can see that. Okay, there we go.
So Lyft Lux is high-end sedans or SUVs with leather interior and 4 seats. If you want to do Lyft Black, you need a premium black car with a leather interior and 4 seats.
Okay, I'm not trying to be dumb, but does the car color have to be black? Like inside and out? Like what if you have red stitching in the inside or like red seats?
Well, at least the outside needs to be black.
Are you sure?
Well, that's what it's saying.
Where?
Premium SUV service with black exterior, leather interior, and space for up to 6 passengers.
Wow, I need to listen.
So yeah, this is available in more than 80 cities throughout the US. So if you have a car that meets all these requirements, you could sign up for Lyft Lux, Lux Black, or Lux Black XL.
Dang-a-ring, Rufio.
You also need to have a 4.85 driver rating or higher.
Yeah.
So if you want to opt in, you can go to the main menu, tab vehicles and devices, tab your vehicles, ride preferences, and then select the type. Okay, whatever. We already knew that. It also needs to be a 2014 car or newer. Some restrictions apply. Oh, that's just for Lyft Lux. For Lux Black and Black XL, it needs to be 2016 or newer. And in Chicago, you need to have livery plates. Livery?
Where?
In Chicago?
Oh, what the heck is that?
I don't know.
Livery plates?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Oh, what did I? Okay, whatever. So yeah, these are some examples of cars you get. You get like Acura, Audi, Bentley, BMW, Buick, Cadillac. Oh, actually, a Chevrolet. These Chevrolet cars.
Suburbans? Chevy Tahoe's Uber Black, Lyft Black?
Lyft Lux.
Oh, well, that's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Hummer.
Infinity Jeep.
Look, and they could be pretty used. 2014 or newer.
Yeah.
Like that's 9 years old.
Yeah.
You get a 9-year-old. Is G-Class on there? G-Class. 2014 G-Class Mercedes. Or a GLE class. These are not that fancy. A GLC. 2014 GLC, you could probably pick one up for what, 20 grand maybe?
From 2014?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Or less, maybe 10 or 15 grand.
Yeah.
These are not super nice cars, and you can make a lot more money, guys. So actually, you know what? I take back. I think Lyft is better than Uber because their requirements are not as strict. Because Uber, it has to be 2016 or newer, and a lot of those, there's not as many.
That was for Lyft Lux, and for Lux Black and Lux Black XL, it needs to be 2016 or newer.
Oh, okay.